How would you like to use artificial intelligence in your everyday life? Creating emails, writing blog posts, maybe writing a letter to your mom and dad, telling your son happy birthday. There's just a ton of ways that you can use artificial intelligence in your life. Hi, everybody. My name is Maximus McCullough, and I'm a full stack developer at A1 Website Pro. And today I'm going to show you how to use artificial intelligence for free. Now I'm going to get off the screen here so I could show you what this is all about. All right, so here we are at OpenAI. Now, OpenAI is open to the public, so anybody can use it, okay? And to sign in, the link will be in the description of this video and also in the blog post on my website. But I'm going to log in with Google. So I'm just going to click Continue with Google. Then I'll select my name. And then I'm just going to click Next. And they tell you how they collect data and they want feedback and so on and so forth. Okay, so whenever you first look at it, think, oh, okay, that's cool. But watch what it'll do. Tell me how to make dog scent boxes. Please. You want to be nice to AI because it could be alive, right? So here we go. It'll load up. Now, sometimes the server gets overloaded and, there's a lot of people working on this and sometimes it'll crash and you have to refresh it. But basically, you could get to what you want to do if you are patient enough. Watch what it does. So you see how quick that was. And wow, I got a whole instruction. I have a whole post I could post on my website. This technology could make the internet as we know it obsolete because whenever you can just go to ChatGPT, ask it a question, and it tells you you're good to go, right? So it's already being used in emails. Microsoft has their materials are going to be including everything Microsoft Word, PowerPoint presentations. It can make you PowerPoint presentations. It can even create movies and graphics and pictures. The other thing too is that Google is also doing the exact same thing with Google Docs. Now you'll notice whenever you go in to type in your Gmail and stuff like that, it will give you suggestions of what to say next as you're typing. There's all kind of things that this artificial intelligence is doing right now, and you don't even know it. So there is good things about it and there's bad things about it. Not everything that it says is correct right now, but they just released ChatGPT 4 2 days ago. This is ChatGPT 3. It's a little bit slower, but we could always ask this whenever we're writing an article, tell me more. We could ask it to make spreadsheets for us, all different kinds of things. Just to let you guys know that this came up with that article, I'm going to pick something. I'm going to go to my Facebook post, pick out a friend, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write my friend a compliment, and I'm going to post it on their timeline. We'll see what happens. So here I am on my brother's Facebook page. I'm going to go, I'll just highlight his name, Randall Jacob McCullough, and I'm going to go to new chat. Maybe I'll just select a new chat, and I'll say, please write a compliment for my brother, Randall Jacob McCullough. Include nice person, great brother, giver, and father. Let's see what it comes up with. Hit enter. Let the magic begin. I'm going to pause the video as it types this out, or maybe I won't. Maybe we'll just watch it. Okay, now I'm going to edit this around and post it on my brother's timeline. I actually didn't have to edit anything. It looks really good. Randall Jacob McCullough is truly a wonderful person in so many ways. As a brother, he has been an incredibly supportive and caring presence, always there to lend a listening ear or a helpful hand. His generosity and kindness knows no bounds, as he is always giving of himself and others. As a father, he is patient, nurturing, and devoted, always putting his children's needs first. Randall is the kind of person who makes the world a better place, and I feel lucky to know him. Pretty cool. Now, let's say that I not only want text, but I want to put an image in there, an image that communicates something. Well, there's something else called Lexica, which is artificial intelligence. You input some text and then it creates a graphic for you. Let me show you what. So on this other tab, I went ahead and I have Lexica up here. And maybe I want to search for an image. Loving brother and father. Okay. And then I'll just click search and it'll show me the images that it already has. Okay. So, and now I can go ahead and in here because my brother, he doesn't look like that. So we're just going to go ahead and we'll say Caucasian. Oh, maybe if I know how to spell Caucasian. Caucasian loving brother and father. And let me click generate. Now, let me go ahead. I got to put it right back in here. Okay, let me just click generate. So now it's going to generate an image for me that I could post on my brother's timeline. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. I could post that on his timeline. AI doesn't always get it right, but sometimes it will make you laugh. Let me see here. Oh, Flash is really liking this stuff too. Hold on a second. Okay, in the negative prompts, I'm just going to put gay, I guess, and because my brother's not gay, nothing wrong with gay people, but he's just not gay. And we'll click regenerate. And so artificial intelligence has taken the negative prompts and, putting them in there. And let's see what it comes up with. All right, here we go. Here we go. And actually, I don't know, kind of looks like my brother in his younger days. Let me see here. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this one. So then I'll just take this image, I'll click Save Image As, and I'll call it Randall. And I'll put it in my downloads. And now I'll come over to the Facebook post, and I'm going to add that image in there. Let me go to my downloads. And there we go. We have a wonderful, inspirational Facebook post. And let me just push hashtag love. Oh, let me see. Love my brother. Okay. Then I'll post it on his Facebook line. But you see, it didn't take that long. I had artificial intelligence help me, and he's gonna like getting it. I'm sure. So, but anyway, that's one way you can use artificial intelligence, to help you do things. Uh, there's different connotations for artificial intelligence. It could create it can create blog posts, database spreadsheets, images, as you saw. But that's what's available to the public. Okay. Now, these great big tech companies, they have them flying jets, fighter jets. They actually, one of the downfalls is artificial intelligence. It's going to make the decision whether it bombs a certain place or not. And you can see that it gets it wrong sometimes. I'm sure they have a lot more powerful computers in the military and so on and so forth, but it just gives you a connotation where everything is going. This might make the internet obsolete as we know it. I can tell. I talk to artificial intelligence all the time through my Google. You may do it through your Alexa. Uh, Facebook has artificial intelligence on it, all these chatbots and everything like that. But now you can use artificial intelligence to your benefit and be nice to artificial intelligence. I notice whenever I see please and thank you and do you understand and stuff like that, I don't know why, but I get a better response. It's probably because people are programming artificial intelligence and people respond to something that's positive and nice. And so that's a good thing that artificial intelligence is responding to things that are nice, that make you kind, that make you compassionate, empathetic, and stuff like that. I'm not saying that it has a soul or anything like that, but it does. It is the logic, being a computer programmer myself, there's a bunch of if else statements and you have to reason things out just like you do in your mind. So everything here is patterned after the image of man. So whenever you're saying please, kind, thank you, and stuff like that to artificial intelligence, I think it responds better. I think it will motivate it to do more for you. So anyway, just a thought. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.